How to do the Instagram trend, literally show me your last pic in your gallery. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you want to do this trend right here, you just have to follow the steps in this video. So I will go back from there, and what you have to do is first search for that sticker. So click on the search icon from the bottom of the page. In here you can either go to my profile, which is Ali and John YouTube, or you can go to the second option. So if you go to my account, it will be much more easier. So search for Ali and John YTT, click on the profile, and then from here you have to click on story trends at highlights, and then you will find the trend at the end. So from here you have to click on add yours button, and then here you can either take a photo right now, or no, you cannot do that. You have to go to your gallery and add the last photo that you took in your gallery. So these two are some videos, and then the last photo is this one, and then you can place your sticker wherever you want. So after that you have to click on send to, then click to your story, share, and done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.